Welcome to UserPro tutorial videos. I am Prachi, and in this video we'll look for how to socially integrate your WordPress site using UserPro. For this we'll go to UserPro tab. We'll look for LinkedIn integration first. So let's search for LinkedIn integration here. We need to select yes from this drop down, as this is to allow the LinkedIn social connect. We also need to have LinkedIn app key and LinkedIn secret key from our app. We'll create a LinkedIn app here in the given link. Need to log in by your LinkedIn account before you create a new app. Here is a link given to create a new app. We will click on add new application. We'll give a new company name here, as suppose I'll say my company name is demo for now. In this section we need to fill out something about our app. In the application info we need to give our app name. Suppose give an app name such as my app. Something description about your app such as this is my app for demo. Website URL should be URL where people should go to know more about your application. So here I'll give my website URL as localhost WordPress and my WordPress. Application use should be as per requirement of your app. Here we'll select corporate IT internal use and application developers, where network updates you will send to your developers. Live status should be live of my app. In the contact info section we need to fill out the developers information, such as for now I'll write email address something as abcd@gmail.com, phone number as business contact email and phone number. This is not mandatory, so we are not filling it for now. Auth user agreement. In this we need to select r_basic profile as well as r_email address too. In auth to redirect URLs we need to give this URL where your site URL replaced by your site URL. My site URL is this, so I'll replace this by this. Auth 1.0a accept redirect URL should be the URL where your users can be returned to your app after they have grant the access. Your cancel redirect URL should be the URL to return users to your app if they select cancel from your dialog box. And agreement language should be browser locate setting. In the other section of an app, JavaScript API domains, where you have to list the domain names of all pages that will call the JavaScript API. If you are enabling your application in OS X, then you need to give a OS X application bundle ID here. And in the Android package names and hashes section, you can enter each pair on a new line. This is the other section is as per the requirement of your app. For the terms of services, we have to agree the all terms and services of LinkedIn, and we can click here to add the application, so that the LinkedIn app ID and app secret key will get generated. As soon as we create a new app, we get a app key. We will copy and paste it here, as well as the secret key. We'll save the changes. Now to get login by LinkedIn, I'll open another browser where we can actually see how this works. Here we'll search for registration page, where the icon for LinkedIn will appear to get login. I'll click on this. I'll enter my credentials with my password and I'll click on allow access. Now we'll be able to get logged in via LinkedIn in this way. I hope this video helped you regarding setting up your LinkedIn integration with UserPro. Just make sure whenever you are creating an app, you are putting the URL, auth URL as like this, your website URL with your contained folder, plugins, UserPro, library, LinkedIn auth with LinkedIn auth.php. This is also given in the UserPro documentation where you can refer it anytime. Here is a link for setting up LinkedIn Connect. Thank you so much.